Hey, how are you doing today? When I first started trading stocks, I didn't really know what I was doing. I one day was trying to sell 40 shares of a company that I held, and I put the information in, I put 40 shares of the ticker symbol, and I pressed sell. And then I went back to my account and I looked, and all of a sudden I owned 80 shares of this stock. The moral of the story is it's really good to know what you're doing before you start trading. Today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to navigate an online brokerage platform. The platform that I use is TD WebBroker. You can use any platform you'd like. They're very similar. You can either go through a bank or you can go directly online and find an independent brokerage that you can then fund through an e-transfer with your bank. I'm going to teach you how to buy a stock, and I'm going to teach you how to sell a stock. This window is going to have four options in total. You're going to ignore 3, and we're only going to look at the stocks and ETFs option. And we're going to type in the symbol of the stock we're looking for. Today, we're going to look for CPE is the ticker symbol, and the company is called Callon Petroleum. So we'll make sure we select the correct one out of the drop-down menu. Next, we're going to make sure that the action is on buy and not sell. Sell would be red. We want to make sure we're on buy. We want to select price type, limit, as opposed to market. Good till day, and we're going to select 5 shares, so we'll put that in the quantity. We're buying 5 shares of CPE, and we're going to put limit price $1.63. So now we can press preview order. We're going to look over everything again, make sure everything is correct. Action buy, quantity 5. There's the price we're willing to pay. Good till day. This is the total, so you can see the principal is $8.15. So that's the cost of the shares, and then $7 commission, that's what we're paying TD to do this service for us. So the total cost is $15.15 US. Once we're happy with everything, we press send order, and we'll either be filled right away or the order will take some time. The stock price goes in the day, we'll get filled then. So that's buying a stock. It's very simple. We'll show you how to sell a stock very quickly. Selling a stock is very simple. It's the exact same thing as buying. You put in the same symbol that you just bought. You just select sell, quantity, the same quantity, or however many you can sell 2 if you'd like. Select the price that you're willing to sell them at. This time we'll sell them at $1.64, so we made a penny off them. Good till day, and then we'll press preview order. That's it. It's very easy to sell a stock, just as easy as buying a stock. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button here and check out our next video. And also, drop us a line in the comments. Let us know, what would you like to hear? What would you like to learn about on the show? We're going to do our best to try to get your questions answered. So please drop a comment below. Let us know what you'd like to hear. I'm wishing you a very, very amazing day, and we'll catch you next time.